This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Omni BT36 is for sale today at Beckley's RVs. Starting inside, you'll immediately notice your booth dinette seating, which can be converted into a bed. Across from this is your theater seating. Above the driving cockpit, you'll find your 59 by 80 inch loft bed and flat screen TV. Your coach is built on the Ford F600 chassis. It has a 6.7 liter Power Stroke V8 turbo engine with 330 horsepower and 825 foot-pounds of torque. Moving on, you have a kitchen with a sink, a 3-burner gas and induction cooktop, a microwave, and a fridge. In the back of the coach is your master bedroom with a king-size bed. Adjacent to this is a full and a half-size bathroom. Returning outside, make note of your backup camera and side spotting cameras, as well as your pass-through storage and exterior TV. For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description, or shoot us a call and visit us today. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.